Let me see what's over the hill. Nice, look at the ocean. You can see the Pacific Ocean right here. And look at that guy on his bike. Ooh. And the breeze. Oh man, feels so cool. So good. Come on, baby. All right, so now we have to turn around here. Oh, there's a poison oak. All right. So if you keep going down, that will take you to Crystal Cove. But we're not gonna do that. So we're just gonna do the loop. Now it'll be itchy. Wow, this is very steep. Whoa. So this is the campground, so that's 4, 5, there's not a lot of, but yeah. Here you go. We can go camping here. All right, let's take a rest under the tree. Wow, it is beautiful. Look at that oak. You see the oak? Look how beautiful that is.
Is this poison oak?
No.
Mommy.
What is this? Can you open it? Oh, there's a bathroom. That's good.
You want to take a whiff?
No. So they said camping permit required, camp in designated spaces only, fires and smoking prohibited. So you can't do barbecue here. No cooking. No alcohol. Perfect. Ooh, look at this funnel web. Wow. Man, I need to do this all the time. Look at that hawk.
If it had a human head, then we would be doomed, right? If the hawk had a human head, then we would be doomed.
Ah, like the, what was that? Harpy.
And it would come straight for us.
Alright. What is this? This one is fence line. You are here. We are So where are we? We are right there. And all we do is we still need to go this. So it's like 0.7 more miles. What? Burgers? Yeah, when we get home.
Mommy,
Yeah?
when we get into the car, you better bring Daddy's back to the middle seat.
Yeah, I'm gonna make burgers when we get home, okay? Would you like some cheese on your burger?
Of course.
Swiss cheese or cheddar? Cheddar?
That was the best.
Okay, I'll have one Swiss cheese.
Wait, Mommy, I can see a civilization over there.
Civilization, yeah. No smoking.
No,
No e-bikes.
no off-road motor vehicles.
Yep, no dogs. And no collecting or disturbing resources.
Mommy,
What?
I was reading it.
Okay, what did you say?
No collecting or disturbing resources. It's a mountain lion country, Mommy. You better
Yeah.
be careful.
We have 0.7 more mile to go. Yes. Now I can see Irvine. Look, baby, you see Irvine? We're almost there, baby. Right there. Right at the top. You can see the
Cars.
toll road. 73. This is our last stretch, baby. Alright, we ready?
What stretch?
To get to the end of the loop. Ready? Who's gonna get there first? You or me? Oh no! Oh no! I think you're gonna win.
And we both win.
No, don't.
We'll both win.
We are.
We're both tied.
Yay! Almost. Baby made it. Huh? Yeah. Hi, Kuya.
No pictures. I'm out of energy. Start it.